Today we're going to be making baklava. It's really easy recipe. It just takes a little bit of time to put it together, but you're going to love this recipe, I promise you. Welcome, my friends. I'm Miroslav and I love to cook. I was born and raised in old Yugoslavia. I moved to the United States in 1986 when I was 22 years old. Often I get nostalgic over a good life we had. When I get that feeling, I put Yugoslavian music in the background and I start to cook old and some forgotten recipes. You're gonna need 450 grams of phyllo dough, 3 sticks of butter, 4 cups of chopped walnuts, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 orange zest, 1 lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of salt. And if you prefer a little bit sweeter, you can add up to half a cup of sugar. We're going to start chopping walnuts and chop them to be fine. Make a zest out of the whole orange. And make zest using entire lemon. I'm using KitchenAid to mix the whole thing, but you can mix it by hand also. So start with 4 cups of chopped walnuts. Add 1.5 tablespoons cinnamon. Add 1 orange zest. Add 1 lemon zest. 1 teaspoon salt. 4 tablespoons melted butter. I like my baklava the way it is, but if you like to make it a little bit sweeter, just add up to half a cup of sugar. Brush the pan with the butter before you start laying phyllo. Now we're going to start laying the phyllo sheets. In between every sheet we're going to soak with the butter, and we're going to start with the 6 sheets before we put the walnut fill. Then spread the fill evenly. And then lay another 3 sheets with butter in between, and so on all the way to the end. Use the last 6 sheets to finish it. After putting the last sheet, cover with the butter also. Then cover the whole thing with the plastic foil and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, it's going to be so much easier to cut it. After you get it out of the fridge, start cutting it vertically. And then cut it diagonally in a 45 degrees to get that beautiful diamond shape. Preheat your oven on 360 degrees and bake it for 40-45 minutes. For syrup, you're gonna need half a cup sugar, 3/4 of a cup honey, 1 cup water, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 lemon juice. We're going to start by boiling 1 cup of water. As soon as the water is boiled, we can start putting all the ingredients. Start with honey. Add sugar. Add lemon juice and vanilla extract. And just set it on the side and let it cool down. As soon as you get baklava out of the oven while it's still very hot, start spreading the syrup evenly. Let it cool down and you're ready to serve. I really hope you love the recipe. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.